you're only ever going to have your hands moving in the same direction like this. All that happens is when you go to your left side, sometimes your left hand goes behind your back. And then when you go to the right side, sometimes your right hand goes behind your back. And when you get really fancy, then you can start to push your left hip out when your hands go to the right.
Ooh.
And then you can push your right hip out when your hands go to the left. And when you get going fast, it looks like this.
Do it!
Rap music?
Flossing music. All right. No. Yeah, the music's up.
It'll come.
Louder.
Ready? Press the right and left. And right. Left. Right.
All right, here's my thought. Nobody at 40 years old should do the floss.